Ano tong lightning Q&A? When was the last time you cried and why? Last night? Bruh. Wag na yung why. Ayoko ng why. What is one thing you can't live without? My guitar. My guitar. I cannot live without my guitar. Kaya buti na lang may gitara minsan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Nakasurvive ako. What color would you wear on the first date? Probably black. If you had a superpower, what would it be? Invisible. What is your favorite place to eat? Anything basta chicken. May chicken na masarap na chicken. Do you believe? What do you do for a living? I sing, I act, I dance. Okay, tama na ako na yun. Galit ka ba sa akin? Paano mo alam? The joke. Hindi, wala akong galit sa inyo. Bakit naman ako magagalit? Sana guys, makapunta ako sa Lainey concert kasi mahal na mahal ko talaga siya. Siya talaga yung pinapatugtog ko. Every time na nagdadrive ako or every time na trip ko magpatugtog, Lainey tsaka loved. Okay. Contact lens, saan ko nabili? Galing po to sa makeup artist ko, so I don't know. Guys, my makeup artist, Sir Rafi Francisco. The best. The best. Look at that. Di ko na rin kilala minsan sarili ko dahil sa kanya. Joke. Congrats po. So with honors, Chan. I also hope that you guys, wait lang, nag-lag ako, sorry. Ayun, God bless sa inyo guys sa lahat ng mag-exam dyan. Alam ko parang malapit na kayo mag-exam. So, galingan nyo and aaralangan, pray kayo. Galingan nyo. Bye-bye. Sige na, alis na ako guys. I love you all. Sana magkita-kita pa tayo soon. At sana pag nakita-kita tayo, nakaayos ako kasi para maganda, diba? Maganda yung impression ko sa inyo. Bye-bye. I love you all. Thank you for joining my live. And thank you for the crazy amount of support every day, every single day. I always feel it. And that's, I'm really, really thankful for you guys so much. Hoy, wait! Eto na. Sige na. Bigyan ko kayo 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye! I love you all. Bye!